Hi, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Integrated Insights. My name is Emily, and today we're talking about something every website owner should prioritize: regular web maintenance. If you have a website, you already know how important it is to keep things running smoothly. But maintaining your site isn't just about fixing problems when they arise. It's about preventing issues before they happen and ensuring your website continues to support your business's growth. One of the most important aspects of web maintenance is mobile responsiveness. With so many users browsing on phones and tablets, your site needs to look and function perfectly on any device. Regular checks help catch display issues before they drive visitors away. Security and performance are also major concerns. Outdated plugins or themes can create vulnerabilities that put your site at risk. Performing routine audits and updates keeps everything optimized and secure, reducing the chances of downtime or cyber threats. Another key maintenance task is broken link checks. A single broken link can frustrate visitors, damage your SEO rankings, and create a poor user experience. Regular scans help ensure every link on your site leads to the right place. Keeping an eye on your content management system, or CMS, is just as crucial. Updates to CMS platforms often include security patches and performance improvements. Staying up to date ensures compatibility with the latest web technologies and prevents glitches or errors. Beyond technical maintenance, it's also valuable to analyze web performance data. Tracking user behavior, engagement time, traffic sources, and top performing pages provides insights into what's working and what needs improvement. Regular check-ins with this data help refine strategies and keep your site aligned with your business goals. Lastly, setting time aside each month to make design tweaks, content updates, or feature enhancements keeps your website fresh and functional. Whether it's updating product pages, improving navigation, or adding new capabilities, ongoing adjustments help maintain a strong digital presence. By prioritizing regular web maintenance, you can avoid costly issues, improve security, enhance user experience, and ensure your website continues to be a powerful asset for your business. If you're unsure where to start or need expert support, our team at IMG is here to help. Reach out to learn how we can help keep your website running at its best.